am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. Of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, it will be activated so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Tyrion Mark, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guard. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Where they took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
Are you watching Terrans from yours?
I'm not freaking out.
You forever.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, it's okay.
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Mogadoo, you know we're going to need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point. What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Easy game. What?
They're escaping. Where's the escape?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttle now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back.
Enough now.
Because this plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Tyrion still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. But does that get any worse?
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck.
It's useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? We have him contained, but not for long.
Remind me to raise that rate.
You're all heroes.
You really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You're lying to them. Now I understand.
I'm sure none of ours did.
For your service.
Thank you. Yeah. I really enjoyed that.
I want to write it again. My face hurts from smiling so much.